At Axe Alpha Tech, we don't just build websites. We craft digital experiences that perform, engage, and grow your business. Our team of expert developers, designers, and strategists blend creativity with cutting-edge technology to create responsive, high-performing, and secure web solutions tailored for success. Whether you need a sleek corporate website, a dynamic e-commerce store, or a powerful custom web application, we meticulously tailor every line of code to align perfectly with your brand's unique goals. We specialize in modern frameworks like React, Next.js, and Node.js, ensuring your digital presence is not only fast, but also highly scalable and future-proof. These modern web app frameworks significantly simplify the development process and enhance business productivity by providing robust pre-built components and structured environments. React, a powerful JavaScript library, is expertly used for building dynamic and responsive user interfaces, especially for single-page applications, through its reusable component architecture. Next.js, built on top of React, further simplifies application development by offering advanced features like server-side rendering and automatic code splitting, which dramatically enhance performance and accelerate page loads. Node.js is a versatile JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code outside the browser, enabling them to build fast, scalable server-side applications with its non-blocking, event-driven architecture. From stunning UI/UX design to comprehensive backend optimization and strategic SEO integration, Axe Alpha Tech ensures your online presence not only looks exceptional, but consistently drives real, measurable results. UI/UX design focuses intently on creating user-friendly interfaces and enhancing overall user engagement, while SEO strategically optimizes content for maximum search engine visibility. Integrating UI/UX design with robust SEO strategies ensures websites are highly accessible, engaging, and perfectly optimized for top search engine rankings through intuitive navigation, lightning-fast loading times, and seamless mobile responsiveness. Ultimately, we deliver websites that truly captivate audiences, effectively convert visitors into customers, and consistently keep your business ahead of the competitive curve. Our key strategies for web development success include implementing robust security measures to diligently protect both the application and its valuable users from potential threats. We also prioritize exceptional scalability, building websites and applications that can effortlessly grow and change seamlessly with your evolving business, adapting to future demands. Maintainability is absolutely crucial, ensuring that all code is meticulously well-organized and easy to manage, which significantly reduces bugs and dramatically improves overall reliability. Furthermore, our comprehensive mobile-first approach guarantees your websites are fully responsive and perform exceptionally well on all devices, from the smallest smartphones to large desktop monitors. Smart design, seamless performance, and real impact. That's the unwavering Axe Alpha Tech promise for your ultimate web development success.